What's up guys? Everyday Toy Day na naman tayo dito sa Mother Base. At today, syempre, meron tayong malupit na i-flex na set. So today guys, we have the Cloud Studio 1/6 scale, complete set of characters na Akatsuki. We have the 11 figures na nandito. Sobrang aangas nito guys. So mabilis lang to guys kasi bibigyan namin kayo ng malupit na montage mamaya. Ayan, meron tayong Sasori, we have Daidara, we have Hidan, we have Kakuzu, meron tayong Pain, syempre, Conan, Tobi or Obito. Ayan, ang lupit ng karakter na yun. Nire-rewatch ko, nandiyan ako ngayon eh. Zetsu, Itachi, Kisame, and syempre ito, bonus na lang natin si Orochimaru. Orochimaru kasi guys is a former member of the Akatsuki. Pero nung pinapanood natin yung Shippuden, technically former member na siya. Pero still, nandito yung Orochimaru, no? So, complete set to. So, napakaangas. Akatsuki guys has been known na isa sa mga pinaka maaangas na villain groups yan in all of anime. You know, iilan lang ng mga villain groups talaga na malulupit. And we have them na complete set, no? Sobrang angas. Hindi to ma-justify sa video or sa mobile phone. You know, if you want to see them, mas ma-appreciate nyo pa sila. Alam nyo na yan guys, visit us at our store dito lang sa The Mother Base Toys and Collectibles Green Hills. Pero bago yan, we're gonna give you guys malupit na montage. Let's go!